Alright, bam, welcome back to the Quick Speed Shop. What I got in the... Hold on, I got cat hair all over me. That happens, I got furry cats, they get all over you. Alright, take two. Alright, welcome back to the Quick Speed Shop. Working on the Model A hot rod truck again. With the windshield in. And here's what I was waiting for in the mail. Here we go. That's this feels like license plates. Aha! What's this? Yoink! Awesome. Got my plate. What's this? Got the insurance card. Got my registration sticker. And I got the license plate, so I can go ahead and slap the plates on this. I'll slap the windshield stickers after I trim this here and clean the glass. I'll slap the sticker in here, slap the plates on, and we'll be ready to go out and start doing some tuning. So let me get the plates on. And it's nighttime now, but one of these days, it's Labor Day weekend coming up this weekend. So I think we're going to be out doing some driving in the Model A hot rod truck. Alright, we're all legal, we're all stickered up and plated up. So it's the first drive of the Model A hot rod truck. Legal drive of the Model A hot rod truck. We're out of Mexico and we're back in the United States, so let's run this thing down the road and see how it does. But there we go. That was an awesome first legal drive of this truck. A lot of miles put on here. Probably 10-15 miles to put on this. Going to the gas station, going across town, back across town to the cruise night. It seems to run good. I gotta tighten up the springs on the return springs on the throttle pedal. I moved one temporarily. I've got to readjust that so the throttle cable returns all the way. It seems to ride all right. You get a little bit of dribble in the front end, but I think that's what you get with these real small tires on the front. I've had some other cars where it wanted to dribble the front end just a little bit. It's not a death wobble like side to side, it just dribbles it up and down. Of course, I got 32 pounds of air in the front tires. I might take a couple pounds of air out and see if that softens the ride out in the front a little bit, but it seems to run and drive all right. It's got super good power. Today is hot. It's about 88 degrees out, and without the hood on and this tiny little radiator with no fan shroud, it was running about 185, so that's not too bad for this engine. I mean, it's not working real hard. It seems to stop good, drive good, all the gears work. I think I'm just going to keep driving it and breaking it in some more before I give it back. But it appears to work pretty good. So one thing I do need to do is get the digital speedometer dialed in. You saw it was like all over the place. Sometimes it was stuck at 70, sometimes it was 0, sometimes it didn't do anything. I mean, it's all brand new, but I'm not a big fan of digital gauges, especially speedometer pickups. I like this could have had a cable on it and it would have been fine, but I'll go ahead and tinker around with that and see if I can get that dialed in. But other than that, it seems to work good. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit the button over here. Bink. Hit the blue bell for the alerts. I'm putting out videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so I've got a lot of content coming out here. But thanks again for watching. Tell your friends. Share it on social media if you want. And we'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop.